come on, Buteng. Buteng. It's gonna change. It's gonna Buteng. It's I can hear you. I don't hear you. Good. 1 second. Good na.
Kumain na. Parang paalis na. Ayun o. Babalikan. Okay na.
Usod pa. Yan. Yan. Don't move. Yan. Wow. Isa pa. Isa pa. Helicopter. Oh, go. Yan, 1. Ayan, kunin mo na. Dali, ayun na, nasahad mo na. Nasahad mo na. Ayun.
See a lot of fishermen. That is why you have the fish tail to remind us that we used to be a small fishing village. What about the lion head? What does the lion head represent? And the ship. The lion head represents the time 13th to 14th century. There used to be a prince from
Go. So, yun. Wow. There's a ship at the top of the buildings. Wow.
Magandang part dito yung 300.
Ayan, nilipin. May iwan ka rito to. Excuse me. Nakakatahimik yung pressure. Ito yung isang oras natin sa kanila na. Ay, bili tayo ice cream, Mami. Sorry. Ay! Are we sorry, Dion? Ba't bumalik tayo?
Ay, ito din lang. Kasi sa akin yung kain ng mga bata. Sa mga bata. Ito yung pakbit nila. Namimiss ko na yung fried chicken daddy.
Sige.
Gaganin ako. Yan, you want watermelon?
Yes.
Good job!
Watermelon sugar.
Nagpipicturean tayo family. Okay, okay. Wait nyo lang ah. Wait lang na matapos yan. Dito naman tayo.
Dion, touch mo yan. Touch mo. Wow. Dion, look oh. Look. Wow. Oh, wow. Butterfly.
Hindi, walang
Interactive.
nangyari.
Go next.
Ayan na, kids.
Wow. Wow. Ang ganda niyan. Ang ganda.
Hey, Dion!
Ay, sorry ma. Baka na yung shoes mo. Sige, tanggal mo. Aka na. Bigyan mo
Put
sa
it to
akin.
the locker.
No, sige. Doon ka na.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
Wait mo ako ha. Videoan kita ha. Go, 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 go. Go upstairs. Videoan kita bago ako buong slide ha. Nasa taas na. Aidan, wait. Go.
Roddy, kayo isa ka pa. Ako. Balik ka, balik.
One more day, one more.
Balik kayo.
Galing oh. Good job, Dion.
Hurry up. Uwi na.
Oo, pagkatapos mo dyan. Dion muna, Dion. Dion muna. Dion muna. Dion muna.
Sige, siya na nga.
Ah, sige.
Go, go, go.
Sige. Ikaw na. Solo ka lang.
Sige, go siya. Para sabay sila. Go. Go pa si Dion. One more time, Dion.
Okay.
Day. Day. Day na natin na. Day. Where? Daylan, ito na yung mami oh. Mami Dane. Ayun oh, kay Mami Dane. Ayun oh. Nasa sa'yo, hanapin mo. Nasaan? Ayun. Wow! Nasi si Yori? Nalipat? Nilagyan mo ba ng name? Hindi kinilan. Hanapin mo.
Si Dion ang hanapin mo. Oh. There you go.
Papadrawing pa natin. It's yours.
It's what's that? Drop it here muna. Yeah. Hey, Dylan!
You should touch it long.
Here at the Art Science Museum with our family. I'll touch it around the screen. Whoa!
You've been paint. You've been paint.
Come here, come here.
You've been paint.
Touch the screen and then run. Like that. Ganun. Go. Up to the end. Go, touch it. Touch it. Touch the screen. Go, run to the end. To the left. Oh, ganun. Dion, you too. Go. Touch the screen. Oh, go back. Run back. Run back. Back, back. That's so cool. Are you done? Okay. Why are you touching your short? Okay.
Very good si Dina. Di, isin mo yung drawing mo. Lalagay natin dito airplane mo.
Mommy, I don't.
Lagay mo sa akin.
I want to tell you how.
Daddy, pag pinipress ko ba yung camera, umaano to? Camera? Napipicturean? Sige. Go! Go, go! Nasa kalahati ka na. Yo! Good job.